Dawn Precision is a large manufacturer of pulleys and bushings and other mechanical transmission components. Its export volume has consistently ranked at the top of the industry. Over the years, Dawn Precision has continually introduced new technologies for its sustainable business growth. This video explores how Dawn Precision applies high-accuracy 3D scanning technology and how it performs efficient full-size inspection and machining allowance control across different production stages and products. Dawn Precision has a fully integrated production system encompassing forging and casting, machining, heat treatment, assembly and warehousing, thus meeting the growing demand for diversified, small batch and customized orders. The production complexity brings measurement and inspection challenges. To address this, Dawn Precision introduced Shining 3D's FreeScan Trak Pro2 tracking system and OptimScan 5M Plus fixed scanner. In the casting stage, surface inspection is required for casting patterns, molds and blanks, ensuring dimensional accuracy and sufficient machining allowance. Dawn Precision uses Shining 3D's FreeScan Trak Pro2. The marker-free dynamic tracking system enables fast, full-size scans, ideal for capturing full-size measurements of castings in various sizes. By comparing the scanned data with the CAD model, machining allowance can be intuitively evaluated. In precision machining, maintaining tight dimensional tolerances is critical. Dawn Precision utilizes OptimScan 5M Plus, a high-precision 3D inspection system performs full-field inspections on finished parts. With high accuracy up to 0.005 mm, OptimScan 5M Plus enables high-accuracy measurement and strengthens dimensional quality control. The high-accuracy 3D scanning technology significantly improves efficiency. A casting part that used to take over an hour for manual inspection can now be fully scanned in just 10 minutes and performed quality control in around 20 minutes with FreeScan Trak Pro2.
因为我们那个产品检测尺寸比较多，然后如果是人工去检测的话，会花费很长的时间。但是用这个3维扫描仪，它会直接把所检测的产品扫描成一个模型，然后导入检测软件之后，和我们原有的一个数模的一个对比，它整体的所有尺寸都能检测出来。所以说在效率上，然后是很高的。
At the same time, labor costs are also reduced. The time needed from inspection personnel has decreased dramatically, allowing manpower to be reallocated to other stages. Moreover, high-accuracy 3D scanners are portable and easy to use in different sites like the shop floor, reducing casting transportation and easing labor intensity. It's also easy to learn, no need for experienced technicians, ensures consistent quality from regular operators. Shining 3D offers a wide range of independently developed, high-accuracy 3D scanners. Dawn Precision can select suitable metrology solutions for each measurement scenario and different production stages. As manufacturing demands continue to grow, smart, reliable tools like Shining 3D scanners are becoming key drivers of sustainable growth and competitive advantage.